Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I contour my nose. I personally think I have kind of a bigger nose, so I have really made it a statement for myself to contour it every time to give myself that kind of like cute little feminine button nose effect. So if you have that same issue that I have, and if you want to learn how I contour my nose, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. But if you haven't already, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up for me showing you how to contour your nose, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like these kinds of videos, I have a ton just like it on my channel, and a ton of videos like this that will be coming up. So subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned for the rest of the video to watch me contour my nose. Sorry if it looks like I'm naked. I swear I'm wearing a shirt, but it is a tube top. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in on my honker, and we're gonna get started on how I contour my nose, how I make it appear smaller. I have already done the rest of my face. I finished my entire face of makeup. I did not set my nose. I just put foundation on it, and I put a teensy weensy bit of concealer as well. But I am going to show you everything from setting to cream contour to powder contour to highlighting. So literally everything. So let's just get right into it. This is very, very up close and personal, and I'm a little bit insecure about my nose, so be kind, you guys. This is definitely not one of the easiest videos to film because my nose has always been kind of a big insecurity to me. So be nice, please. But yeah, I just want to show my kind of way of making my nose appear smaller, or at least what works for me. I'm not saying that this is the way to do it again, but this is my way to do it. It has worked for me, so this is how I do it. The first thing I'm going to be using is this Fenty Beauty Cream Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer in Teddy. You guys know by now that this is my favorite one. And I'm just taking a random brush. I honestly don't even know. Oh, this is a Kylie Cosmetics brush, actually. It's just kind of like a thin, angled brush. I take it onto that brush, and then I just go down the bridge of my nose on each side. And then I paint some underneath like this, so basically I look like a cat. Then I do a line across right here as well. So you can already see it kind of gives me a little buttony look to my nose. So now I'm just gonna take a brush that kind of has like a dense tip like this one. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think this is honestly from one of the palettes, the eyeshadow palettes. And I'm just gonna blend. So blend down and out, down here first, or at least I like to start down here. And then if you see any imperfections, just take your nose and wipe away. And then I start to blend down the sides of my nose. And do a cross over here as well. And again, just fix whatever needs fixing. I know it doesn't look perfect, that's okay. We still have a few more steps, so it's all right if it's not perfect right away. And then just take some concealer. I'm using my favorite NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. And I'm just doing a little tiny dot right there, and then a little tiny line like that as well. And then I'm gonna take my finger actually and just blend it out. If the sides of your nose are not blended exactly how you'd like them to be, you could just take a little bit like that. And then just again, I like to use my finger and I'll just blend. Once we've done that, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting brush. I'm just dipping it into that powder, patting off the excess, and literally just setting my nose. Pat that onto there. Make sure that it is set, those creams are dried down. You don't need a lot of this product either. And then take a bronzer. I am using my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm taking this Morphe M514 brush, kind of looks like this. I'm dipping it into the bronzer, and then I'm just gonna go over the exact same way that I did with those creams. So just down the bridge. With a light hand, by the way. Do not press down too hard or it's gonna look very fake very fast. And do the same on the other side. Get the bottom right here again. If you have a similar nose shape to mine where I'm like trying to hide this little thing down here. And then go across again. Sorry if I'm like looking at you guys really creepy, by the way. Every time I do videos where I zoom into my face, I always manage to get whatever I'm trying to film out of frame and I don't notice until it's too late. So I'm just trying to make sure that I am on top of it in this video. I like to take a liquid highlighter, and this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I have a little mini version. And sometimes I'll use a beauty blender and then sometimes I'll use my finger. I just like how much control I have with my finger, so I take a little bit onto there. Just put some on the tip. Use another finger to blend. And then with whatever's left on that, I take and I pat onto the bridge of my nose and just give myself a little line across. Most times I won't do all the way down the bridge of my nose. I'll just mainly focus it right here and then just bring it down a bit, just because I feel like if you highlight the entire bridge of your nose, it almost kind of elongates the shape of your nose, which is the opposite of what I'm trying to do. So we don't want that. And then if you see any imperfections like I do, right there, I'll do the same thing with the concealer. Contouring your nose is a process, you guys, so it's okay if you have to repeat a couple steps a few times until you get it the way you want it to look. Especially if you have kind of a crooked nose like mine. It takes some effort to straighten this thing out, you guys. It really does. Once I have done all that, I'm just gonna take a powder highlighter, and today I'm using the Revlon SKINLIGHTS in 201 Daybreak Glimmer. So it looks like this. It's this really, really beautiful gold. Taking that same brush that I used to contour, and I'm just highlighting the tip of my nose, just right there, to give it that extra little pop. And then a little bit here as well. Then of course just take your setting spray of choice. Mine is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and just spray to set it all in place. make sure that that nose does not move for the rest of the day. That is what I do when I contour my nose. As you can see, there are a few steps to my process. I like to do a cream and powder for contouring just because I really want to lock that shape in. So I like to go the extra mile and do the cream and the powder, and then I like to finish it off by highlighting the parts of my nose that I want to be accentuated, and of course draw the attention away from the parts of my nose that I don't want accentuated. So as you can see, the tip of my nose is pretty prominent now, but the rest of my nose is not. It just looks like it has that kind of curve, even though it doesn't, and then the tip just is noticeable. So that is what I do. I really like how the outcome turns out. I feel a lot more confident when I do my nose this way. I think it's a better look for me personally, and it's an easy way to get a nose job without having to get a nose job. So this is exactly why we love makeup, because we can switch things up. If you're not so confident about some kind of feature on your face, makeup is an easier way to kind of, I don't want to say mask that because I'm not trying to mask my nose, but just kind of give it a little bit of a nicer, more feminine shape, if that makes sense. So I love makeup. I just love what this does for me. I feel a lot more confident now. I do feel very good about this method. Like I said, I'm not saying that this is the way to do it, it's the only way, or that I'm a pro. Nothing like that. This is just the method that has worked for me and what I have found has been the best. Personally, for contouring my nose, I've done it a bunch of different ways, and this is just the best way for me. So that's all I've got for you guys. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about my method. And of course, if you guys have any other tips or tricks for contouring your nose for me or for the rest of my beautiful makeup family, then make sure to comment that as well so we can all hear what kind of tips and tricks you guys have. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I constantly am posting for you guys. You see something from me like 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss out on a ton of videos all the time. So make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.